I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate so you know what you're stretching from. Once done, install the latest Nvidia driver and open Nvidia control panel. You then create a custom resolution profile targeted at Roblox's window or full screen mode, making small resolution changes first, for example 1600 x 900, to test scaling. Make sure to select the correct display and save the profile. This gives you a controlled baseline before changing Roblox settings. Next, you adjust how the GPU scales the image. Set Nvidia scaling to full screen for a true stretched look, or aspect ratio if you want letterbox preserved. Choose GPU as the scaling device so Windows doesn't interfere. Once set, launch Roblox and force the game into full screen, or use a borderless window at your custom resolution. Then tweak Roblox's graphics mode and field of view to compensate visually. This balances perceived stretching and minimizes distortion, while maintaining performance. To finish, you test gameplay for UI clipping and input sensitivity, because stretched resolutions change cursor travel and HUD positioning. Make incremental adjustments until comfortable. If you see artifacts or instability, revert to the monitor's native resolution and reapply smaller custom steps so the driver accepts the change. If scaling options are missing or behave oddly, perform a clean Nvidia driver, install, and recreate the custom resolution. This fixes corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.